Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the practice set 24. Okay. Today we will see the practice set 24. Now here what they have asked the question, find the HCF of the following number. Find the HCF. HCF, the full form of HCF is highest common factor. So we have to find the highest common factor. How we will find? In the last practice set, we have seen how to find out the common factor. In practice set 23, we have seen how to find out the common factor. In this practice set, we will see the highest common factor. Okay. The first question is 45 and 30. Okay. So first we will find out the factor of both the numbers. So factor of 45. Factor of 45. What are the factors of 45? That is 1, 3, 5. Yes, very good. Very good. 9, 15, and 45. Very good. Next is 30. Now we will find the factor of 30. Okay, what are the factors of 30? Yes, very good. 1, 2, 3, 5. Very good. 6, 10, 15. Yes, very good. 15 and it's 30. Okay. So these are the factors of the numbers. Now after that we will remove the common factor. Okay. After that we will remove the common factor. In practice set 23, how we have removed the common factor, in that way we will remove the common factor. Here I am not having the place, so I am writing just CF. Okay. But we have to write the whole spelling of the common factor. CF full form is common factor. Okay. Now what are the common factor? Come on, say 1. That is 1. Okay. 2 is not there in factor of 45. So we will not take 2. 3 is there in both the factors, both the numbers. So we will take 3. Very good. Students are giving me the answer. Next, 5 is there in both the numbers. So we will write 5. Okay. 6, 9 not there. 15 is there. So we will write 15. Okay. So we will write here 15. Okay. So these are the common factors. Okay. Now the main part, that is highest common factor, that is HCF. So we will write here HCF. What is the highest common factor? The highest common, see, here they have asked the highest common factor. Okay, highest common factor. Common factor they have asked. So we will remove from the common factor, which is the highest common factor. Okay. So highest common factor, common say me what is which is the highest common factor? Very good. That is 15. Very good. Very good. That is 15. Okay, so we have to remove the highest common factor from the common factor that we have removed. Okay, so we will remove the highest common factor, that is the highest common factor is 15, means that is the 15. Okay, is it clear? So here it is there, the question 16 and 48. Okay, just now we have solved the factor of 16 and factor of 48. We got the answer of factors of 16 and 48. Okay. After that, we have removed the common factor. And after that, the common factor, we have removed the highest common factor, that is 16. Okay. Here we will see the word problem. The remaining questions all are same, so you can do it by your own. Okay. So here we will see the word problem. There are total 4 word problem. First, let's see what is the first word problem. What is the question? That if large square bits of equal size are to be made on a plot of land 18 meters long and 15 meters wide in order to plant vegetables. Okay, there they have to plant a vegetables. What is the maximum possible length of each bed? What is the maximum length? So first we will remove to find the maximum possible length. Okay, we have to find the maximum length. We have to find the HCF. Okay, we have to find the HCF of 18 and 15. Here we will find the why we are finding the HCF, because they have asked the maximum possible length. Okay, so what will be the maximum possible length? So we will first find the HCF of 18 and 15. Okay, so first we will find the factors of 18. Rudra, what are the factors of 18?
Yes, ma'am. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
6,
6,
8.
not 8.
No, not 9
Very good.
and 18 itself.
18 itself. Okay, good. Now next we will find the factors of
15.
15. Very good. So what are the factors of 15?
1,
1,
3,
3,
5,
5,
and 15.
and 15. After that, what we will do? We will remove the common factors. The common factors of 18 and 15. Okay. What are the common factors of 18 and 15?
Ma'am, 1 and 3.
1 and 3. Very good. So our HCF will be
3.
3.
Highest common
Very
factor
good.
may be ma'am, 3.
Will be 3. Okay. So in last, we have to write the sentence, the maximum possible length of each bed is 3 meters. Okay. Now here is the question. There is a 2 ropes. Okay. There is a 2 ropes. One is 8 meter long and other is 12 meter long. The one is 8 meter long and the other rope is 12 meter long. Are to be cut into piece of the same length. Now they have to cut this piece into the same length. What will be the maximum possible length of each piece be? What will be the length to cut the piece? कितने length का हमको एक rope को cut करना है, that we have to remove. Okay. What will be the maximum possible length of each piece? Okay, so here we will remove first the factors of 8 and 12, and after that we will remove the HCF. How? See, first we will write the, we find the HCF of 8 and 12. Okay, now we will find the factors of 8. For the HCF, first we have to find the factors. Factors of 8. What are the factors of 8?
Teacher, 1,
1,
2,
2,
4
4,
and 8 itself.
8 itself. Very good. Now we will find the factor of 12. What are the factors of 12?
1,
1,
2,
2,
then 3,
3,
4,
4,
6,
6,
and 12 itself.
12 itself. Very good. Now after that, what we will do?
Common factor.
Very good. After that, we will remove the common factor. Don't forget to remove the common factor. Common factor of 8 and 12. What are the common factor of 8 and 12?
1,
1,
2,
2,
and 4.
4. Very good. So these are the common factors. Okay. Now we have to write the highest common factor. Okay. What will be the highest common factor?
4.
4. Okay. So the maximum possible length
Of the cut into pieces rope.
the maximum possible length of each of the rope. Each piece of the rope is, there is no place, so direct I'm writing the answer, that is 4 meters. Okay, that will be 4 meters. Now here we got the answer 4 meters. See here, it is a 8-meter rope and here it will be 12-meter rope. Okay, so if we cut this meter, so we will get 2 pieces. Okay, that is of 4 meter, and if we will cut this piece, we will get 3 pieces of 4 meter. It means we are getting the 4 meter pieces equally with the same length. Okay, here we come to know how to remove the SCF, and with the help of SCF we can find out the common pieces. Okay, how to remove the common pieces. Is it clear? So the next question is the number of students of standard 6 and standard 7. There are two standard, that is 6 and 7, who went to visit the Tadoba Tiger project. Okay, they both the class have went to the Tiger project at Chandrapur. Okay, and the strength is 140 and 196 respectively. Okay, the both the strength of the class is 140 and 196. The student of each class are to be divided into groups. Now the student of each class, okay, the standard 6 and standard 7 students class have to divided into groups of the same number of students. Okay, how we have divided into same pieces the first two questions, that in the way we have to divide the student in the same number. Okay, each group can have a paid guide. What is the maximum number of students there can be in each group? What will be the maximum number? Okay, कितने number का एक एक group का student, the एक एक group में कितने student होंगे, that we have to see. Okay, each group of student is how much number, that we have to remove. Okay, how many number student group we can make, that we have to see. So what is the strength? The strength of the student is 140 and 196. So we will find the factors of 140 and 196. So here we will write the solution, that is factors of 140. First we will remove the factor of 140. So what will be the factor of 140? Come on,
Ma'am, can I
say.
say?
Yes,
1, 2,
yes. 1,